we have to be careful about is mounting and piping. The piping that is connected here and how we mount it. It should be preferably mounted vertically using the holes provided. Mounting holes. These are mounting holes here at the bottom. So it should be mounted here. This small cooler, this is the smallest cooler that we make, is a very powerful cooler in terms of heat dissipation, right? Very powerful. Because the flows are very small, 3 liter, 4 liter, maximum 8 liter. So it has to remove heat from typically 3 to 4 liters of oil. So it's a very effective cooler, but it has a problem. It is not very strong. Mechanically, it is not very strong. So mounting it the way it is intended helps in keeping the mechanical integrity of the equipment. Second, the inlet-outlet piping needs to be free from vibration. Typically, when the pipeline that is coming from the pump is connected here, every time the motor stops, it vibrates. If it's running constantly, it is not vibrating. But the moment you start, it does. You've seen that, noticed that, all of you?
Yeah.
If I have a solid line connecting the pump to this, that jerk, it gets transmitted onto this header, and that header can leak. So inlet outlet piping free from vibration, preferably with a low pressure hose, because high pressure hose again will be very tight. Typically an ID of 7 to 8 mm is what we would recommend, even though the flows are not too much, but we want minimum pressure drop across this cooler. Mountings. So I'm going to show you pictures which are from my collection. Some maybe from UCAN, some maybe from other manufacturers. It's taken from the bottom. This is how we would recommend it. Piping. Like we said, the piping here is perfect because there is the inlet hose. In the inlet, we're using a hose so vibration is not transmitted. Here there is a problem because solid at both ends. So it is solid here, it is solid here. Whatever vibration will get transmitted, and sooner or later there could be a failure at the header.